So today I am going to get allergy tested. Those of you that don't know, I don't eat dairy. Hold on, I just need to start the engine. Yeah, those of you that don't know, I don't eat dairy. And I want to, like, it basically doesn't agree with me. It makes me feel really ill. So bear with me while I just reverse out of here. So, as I was saying, I don't eat dairy because it disagrees with me. So today, I'm finally finding it out what I'm actually allergic to and what I'm not. So here we go. I just thought I'd do a little bit of driving with Loza at the start. So yeah, I haven't actually used this camera in the car before. I've only used my phone, so I don't know what it's going to be like. Oh, okay, just stop there. Brilliant, lovely, thank you. Which way should I go? Where am I going? Oh my god, where am I going? Oh yeah.
What would have happened to beef when I could just hop in a Porsche? It's not reliable.
Also, I don't know if you guys know, but I've got a new car. I think I must have mentioned it on here, mustn't I? I don't know. Anyway, I've got a new car. Don't have KA anymore. I've got a Ford Fiesta, and it's like a mermaidy colour, and it's the best. Oh, okay then. Okay then. Bye. Bye then.
I'm gonna gasolina!
My car does that really annoying noise. Anyway, so I'm here. I'm actually really nervous to find out like what I'm allergic to. It's gonna be so interesting. So I will keep you updated. Very awful angle down here. I don't know what I was doing like that. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. But I'm very excited. Okay. Oh, that's not very good lighting, is it? Okay, that'll do. So just come out. I am allergic to every form of dairy, every form of milk, so like cow's milk, goat's milk, sheep's milk, butter, yogurt, everything that has dairy or milk in it, so I'm allergic to milk. So yeah, that's that. All my other, so luckily it hasn't caused any damage, like internally. My skin looks glowy. Hasn't caused any damage, which is obviously really good. But yeah, allergic to all types of dairy. I will speak about the process in a little bit, but you basically hold like a little rod, and then she touches your other finger, so the camera I'm holding. So she'll touch this finger with like a little electrode, and you hold the other one, and she's putting little bottles into the machine that contain the food, contain the body organ, different things like that, and it's how it is tested. It's really like impressive. But yeah, so I finally got an answer that I am allergic to milk. But it's finally, and the good thing is like when I was thinking about getting tested, it's either hundreds and hundreds of pounds, or like for the lactose test at the doctor's, you have to drink a pint of milk. Anyone that has trouble with dairy will know that they would rather like get a fork shoved in their eye than drink a pint of milk. And they test the hydrogen or something in your breath that says you're allergic. I don't know, but just yeah. No. So anyway, I will post a picture, or I'll post the link below of where I went and what kind of thing she does. But yeah, so interesting. And she gave me all the little names that is in milk, like Whey, Casein or something like that, but that can be in free from products, but there is still a small dairy content thing. So really, really interesting. Okay, so I'm home now, but I just wanted to add this in because I don't think I explained it very well. So basically, my hand was holding an electrode rod like this. And, well, I know I didn't explain it well. So my hand like this was holding an electrode rod. And then I had my hand like that, and she was holding here and then pushing on, it's like an acupuncture point with, like, it looks like a metal pen, basically. Can't feel anything, by the way. And so there's this machine which has a dial, which is like an electric dial, and it has little tiny slots in the side of the machine, and she has little kind of glass, is vials the right word? I don't know, like a little glass little glass tubes of every single food item, body organ and minerals. So basically what she does is put in each mineral, and it will go right to 100% or tell me how much percent I've got in my body, or whether it's correct, you know. So if it goes right up to 100, it's like perfect, I'm not deficient in it, basically. So we did that with all the minerals, the body organs, so like intestines, bowel, stomach, all of that, immune system, again with the dial from 0 to 100. If it goes right up to 100, they're absolutely perfect, they're fine. So then we go on to the food, so like beef, turkey, pork, all the meats, veg, like quite a few veg, and then all the dairy. So again, with the meats and the veg, literally the dial just went up to 100, it's fine, it's fine. And on the vitamins, mine didn't quite go up on vitamin A, so that means that I'm slightly deficient in it, which she's just said I probably need to eat like more carrots or like more veg that has vitamin A in it. Vial, the tube into the machine, and then pushes it on my finger, and it went up and it just went up. Like, that's how far it went. So like 100, it went up to like maybe 40%. That was the same for goat's milk, cow's milk, sheep's milk, all of that. Cheese, yogurt, cream, and it's honestly so interesting, like so interesting to find out. And especially if anyone's having problems with their food or their body, like, and the doctors aren't helping you, I'd really recommend going to see someone like this, because I think they'll really help. I thought I'd just come in and explain that, because I definitely didn't explain it properly earlier. So yeah, on with the rest of the video. Finally, I've got an answer. So if there is something that's been bothering you, or you like food, like, don't be embarrassed about it, like, because it does affect people. I've been struggling so long because it makes me feel so ill, and I didn't really know. I knew it was dairy and I cut out a lot, but today was the final day that I got an answer. Like, you know, it wasn't, people like obviously joked about it, that like, oh, it's just in my head, nothing's wrong, but like, no, I am allergic to milk. So, and obviously lactose is in milk, but yeah, so I'm not lactose intolerant, I'm allergic to all forms of milk. So yeah, obviously it's going to be a short little thing, but I thought it was so interesting to kind of find out that, you know, what you're allergic to, really. But I'm going to go back now. I'm absolutely starving, because I get really anxious when I drive and when I go out, so I don't eat, which is not good, I know. I need a little eye, don't I? Right, so I'm going to go back, but how interesting. I'm going to Tesco now to buy some free from stuff, because obviously now I'm allergic. Really pissing me off. Why is it so busy? Saying before I was rudely interrupted, although I wasn't, I just stopped talking. I'm gonna go and buy some free from stuff now, because I've got to be dairy free. Well, not necessarily. I'm gonna stick to the same. I wonder if I can have my camera here. That does work, doesn't it? Might have to have it there in the future. Anyway, right, I'm gonna go in. can do that. Okay, so I've just been into Tesco. I'm going to show you what I look like. And the things I would recommend. That was very heavy. I need to open a window. Okay. I've got fruit. What I really recommend, I want to just show. Okay, so I want to just show you these 3 things. I don't have the light in there. I can't see at all. Okay, so I wanted to show you these 3 things. This is Violife. I just thought I picked up the wrong thing, but it's got new packaging. This is Violife, so it looks like this. It's a vegan block. It has no milk whatsoever, no dairy, free from dairy, soya, gluten, lactose, nuts and preservatives, and it's just like a block. It's a little bit rubbery, but I think it tastes really, really good, and it melts as well. So this is really, really good buy. Second thing is this, which is the Alpro vanilla soya thing. So Alpro is basically all plant-based, so if you can't have soya, milk, all that not soya, can't have milk and all that shenanigans, dairy, then this is a really good one. They do different flavours. This is the vanilla, which is to die for, so I have that with like granola or something. Obviously I have soya milk, I've got that at home anyway. And then this is the Vitalite dairy free butter. I still can have a little bit of butter, but like when I have like make something like baking with butter, that is what I would use. So yeah, I hope this video was a little bit useful. I'll leave links down below of like certain things, all the things I'm allergic to, if you want to find out, like, because certain things are in stuff. It doesn't say milk, but it's like another word, so I'll write all that down. I will also put down the favourite brands that I use that are free from, and some good places for recipes, because I know it can be difficult. Lord above, it's warm now. So yeah, I hope this video was kind of a little bit interesting. I was also trying to find a video on YouTube that someone is doing the allergy testing, so you can see exactly what I had done, because I'm going to try and explain it and it's just not going to be very good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and links will be available below for any information and like to help you find stuff that's suitable, because I know it's difficult and I know it's like, oh, like dairy free. I wish that I was just allergic to like beef or something. It'd be a lot easier, but you know, these things happen. So yeah, if you've got any questions for me about what I had done, like, because I was really nervous, like I know it can be nerve-wracking, but yeah, let me know, because I can help. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again very soon.